All right, today's going to be an exciting day because Kayla's American Express Business Gold Card is due to arrive in the mail today. So in this episode, we're going to do an unboxing of the card, we're going to do a review, and also compare how it looks compared to some of the other cards in the American Express lineup. So this is going to be a fun-filled show. I love doing unboxings. I hope you enjoy them as well. Before we get started, if you do find this video helpful or at the very least mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications for alerts, and if you're interested in getting the Business Gold Card, or any card for that matter, make sure you apply using the referral link down in the description below. That greatly helps support the channel. I can't thank you all enough for doing that. It really does help support us, and it shows that at least you find some of this information helpful, I hope. Before we get to the unboxing, let me do a quick overview on exactly why she wanted to get this card. First of all, it does have a $295 annual fee, and this is a charge card as opposed to a credit card. And for those of you new to points and miles and credit cards, a charge card has no preset spending limit. When you get a credit card, you're gonna have a limit on what you can spend, and that's just not the case with charge cards. So that's really convenient and one of the really big benefits of having a charge card for your business. One of the big reasons Kayla wanted this card was for the sign-up offer, and that's not a terrible reason to get this card. Her offer was 85,000 points with $10,000 spent in the first 3 months. So that's the offer that she got. She got 85,000 points because we are going to meet the min spend on that pretty easily. I also got a 20,000 point referral bonus because I sent her a link to apply for the card. And for those of you that are new to points and miles, make sure you work with a partner on this because that's one of the big benefits is you can get referral points by sending your link to your partner, and then once they apply and get approved, then you get your referral points. So overall, between her 85,000 points and my 20,000 points, getting this card netted us 105,000 membership rewards. Not too shabby. And when looking at the benefits of the card, you also get 4 times points on your top 2 spend categories each billing cycle, and that's from this following list. So you can get 4 times points on airfare purchased directly from airlines, purchases for advertising and select media, purchases at gas stations, restaurants, and that includes takeout and delivery, purchases on shipping, and purchases at select technology providers of computer hardware, software, and cloud solutions. There's also a 25% airline bonus with this card on your selected airline. So if you go to the American Express travel portal and you book a flight for 20,000 points, let's say, because of that 25% back bonus, that means you'll get 5,000 points back. So you have to initially do the 20,000 points and you get those back, and it typically doesn't take that long. In the terms and conditions, it does say it can take a few weeks, but they usually do it a lot faster than that. There's also trip delay and baggage insurance as well. So if you're a business customer and you do a lot of travel, this may be a good fit for you. Do I wish the annual fee was a little bit lower? Yes, I do. And there's actually been some rumors of the annual fee increasing, but that wouldn't be too bad, I guess, if they can offset that and justify it with adding more perks and benefits. We're just going to have to wait to see how that plays out, and we covered that on a Weekly Pointers news segment. We'll keep an eye on that on the channel, but for right now, it's time to get down to my favorite part of the show, and that is the unboxing. We're going to see what's inside the envelope, we're going to see what paperwork's included, and also compare how this card looks to other cards in the American Express lineup. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. All right, my mail delivery person should be here any minute. I'm not 100% sure where they are. Oh, excuse me, ma'am. Oh, great to see you. Thanks for delivering yet another credit card to me. I always get excited when I see you coming to deliver the mail, especially when there's a card inside, and I'm just absolutely thrilled that you're here.
You shut your mouth when you're talking to me.
Okay, I'll just take the mail. Thanks so much. Okay, so we're gonna get in the envelope here. This was sent urgent extreme. That's great, I think it's urgent. I wanna get the card as soon as possible. So let's get into the envelope here. We don't need that, get it off the table. This is a thick envelope, and actually the American Express part of the envelope is open. It's not even sealed, which is kind of interesting. So let's open this up. There's a lot of paperwork in this thing, so we'll see what this is. First of all, we have the card member agreement, part 2 of 2. Now I'm gonna sit and read through all of this in this episode. I'm kidding. Not doing that unless I want to put myself to sleep. Summary of additional benefits. We covered a lot of the benefits already. We know why we're applying for this card, but it's always good to keep these by your bedside, especially if you're new to points and miles. Keep all this paperwork. It doesn't hurt. American Express business card privacy notice. Privacy. That's so funny, like they don't know everything about me and my life. This is card member agreement part 1 of 2. So this goes over the interest rates, the annual membership fee. There are no foreign transactions fees, and then it also lists the penalty fees for late payment and return payment as well. So again, keep that if you're new to all this, but I think that we've got it here. I can feel a card here. Oh, nice. And this is absolutely no surprise, but this card feels very substantial. If you have the American Express Platinum card, or if you have the regular gold card, you'll know exactly what this feels like. This is a metal card, and it feels very substantial. It feels like you've got a solid card. When it comes to bending it, it's got a little bit of bend to it, but when I'm comparing it to other cards like the Blue Business Plus or any of the other thinner cards from American Express, it certainly doesn't bend as much. Overall, looking at the color, this is a very gold color. So if you recall, the American Express gold card has an option for rose gold as well. And when I look at that in comparison to this, it almost makes the rose gold look like there's no gold whatsoever. It actually almost looks like a platinum card in a way, and I'll pull that one in just so you can see it for comparison. But I really like this classic look of the American Express Business Gold card. Let me know which one you think looks more regal or more substantial. Is it the gold? Is it the rose gold? Is it the platinum? Is this entire argument completely stupid? Yes, but we have to carry these cards around, and it helps to have a little pride in how your cards look. And to be honest with you, if it didn't matter what they look like, they wouldn't spend so much time on the design of these cards. So if anybody tells you it doesn't matter, it does. All right, so let me know what you think about the American Express Business Gold card. First of all, how it compares in looks to the rose gold, and then also the platinum cards. Which color do you think looks more substantial or business-like? I'm curious to hear what you have to say about that. Also, let me know if you have the Business Gold card right now, how are you able to justify the current annual fee? Because some people, especially if they're new to points and miles, are going to look at this and say, wow, $295, it's too much. I don't want to drop that kind of money. But how are you able to justify the annual fee? I can justify the annual fee for the first year on anything typically because of the sign-up bonus, and in particular with this one, I think that's the case. But if you've kept this for 1, 2, 3, 4 years, let me know how you're able to justify that and how you're using it down in the comments below. We get a lot of use out of my card currently. I absolutely love it, but that doesn't mean it's right for everybody. Keep in mind, if you are interested in applying for the Business Gold card, or any card for that matter, make sure you apply using the referral link down in the description below. That greatly helps support the channel, and I appreciate all of you in doing that so far. If you found this video helpful or at least mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notifications for alerts. And when you click on the Brandon Boyd Show, click, 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 you're going to get the latest information on credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, finance, and everything in between. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. We'll see you soon.